you guys, this is your girl Honey Plush, and I'm here today with a new video. This is an unboxing video for a mystery box that I purchased on Etsy.com. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned and let's get into it. So as I stated before, I purchased this box from Etsy.com from a store called Puka's Way, and I got a bunch of items. It is a stoner smoker shop. So let's see what's inside. So open it up with my scissors. Okay, looks like I got a note. And it says, "Thank you for your order. I hope you enjoy all the goodies made specially for you." Look at that. That's so sweet. Also, there's a card here. So if you want to go follow their shop, or if you want to go buy and purchase some of these items, those are the social media handles there. You guys, I gotta show you this. So everything is packaged perfectly. Look at that. So, okay. Okay, so here are some organic pre-rolls. Okay. You guys, look at this cute little ashtray. Oh, this is gonna be cute in my car. Look at that. Okay. Got your zigzags. Gotta have your cones, boo. You gotta have them. Oh, and look at this. It's a little pipe. This is for tobacco use only. Tobacco use is what it says. And let's see here. Looks like I got a drink, a Sprite, some gummy bears. I mean, who doesn't like gummy bears? Come on. Some more gummy bears. Look, and look, you guys. This is a Winnie the Pooh. Look. And it has my name on it, Honey Plush. Look at that. That is so cute. Okay. And I have looks like a storage jar. And look. Y'all, that is so freaking cute. Yes. Oh, this is too cute. And you guys, I got a t-shirt. Let's get that bad one out. That's the t-shirt. That is so cute. Let me stand up real quick. Oh, yeah, that's too cute. That is too cute. I love it. Let's see. Okay. Got a little grinder here. Look at that. Just so y'all can see. Get a good close-up view. And I got a little phone, I forgot what they call these. Dang. It slipped my mind, but it's the thing that you put on the back of your phone, a phone holder. That's probably not the right term, but look how cute. It's custom made. And then I got a little card holder on the back that goes also on your phone. And look at this cute little ashtray. Oh my gosh, that is so cute, you guys. And I got a little lighter. And this rolling tray. Oh, you guys, look at this rolling tray. Look how cute that is. That is too freaking cute. I love it. So, looks like that is basically it. Now, shout out to Pukaway for giving me, for sending me this, shout out to Puka's Way for, shout out to Puka's Way for sending me this. They didn't send me shit. I paid for it. Shout out to Puka's Way for making this mystery box for me. I purchased the mystery box on Etsy.com as I stated before. The pricing for the mystery box for the one that I got is for $40 now. When I purchased it, it was $80. And I'm gonna be honest, in my opinion, it's really not worth $80, but $40 sounds about right. But for the things that I've got, I'm grateful for. I will cherish them. I really love it. Again, you guys, that will be it for this. So that's about it for this video. I thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you comment. Tell me, let me know. Make sure you comment. Let me know what was your favorite item that I showed today, and if you will be purchasing from